Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Robinhood advanced order types. The first step is to access advanced order types. What you want to do is open the Robinhood app on your mobile device, and then you want to tap trade in the bottom navigation bar, and then just select the stock or ETF that you want to trade, and then select order type from the trade menu. Now the second step is to choose an order type. You can use limit orders. You could buy or sell a stock at a specific price or better. You could also use stop limit order, where you can buy or sell a stock when it reaches a specific stop price, then execute the trade at a specified limit price or better. You can also use stock market order, where you can buy or sell a stock when it reaches a specified stop price, and then execute the trade at the next available market price. You could also use a trailing stop order, where you could buy or sell a stock when it falls by a specified percentage or dollar amount from its peak price. The third step, of course, is to set up the advanced order. So you can set the order parameter. Just enter the specifics of the order, such as the limit price, stop price, and quantity. And you can also choose the order duration. So you can select the duration of the order, such as day or GTC, that's good till cancelled. And you also want to confirm the order, so just review the order detail and confirm the trade. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Robinhood's advanced order types. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.